Hi, hello, what is your name? My name is Sam. What is your name? I'm Kate. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? I am from London. Where are you from? I am from Spain. How old are you? I am 25. How old are you? I am 26. Where do you live? I live in London. Where do you live? I live in Spain, but I am currently living in California. What do you do? Are you a student or do you work? I work at a school. I am a teacher. What do you do? I work at a bank. I am a general manager. What does your father do? My father works at a hospital. He is a doctor. That's great. What do your parents do? My father works at a cafe. My mother is a housewife. How many siblings do you have? I have two younger brothers and one elder sister. Great. I have just one younger brother. What do you like to do in your free time? I like reading books and watching movies. What kind of movies do you like? I like horror and thriller movies. What are your hobbies? I like hang out with friends and playing video games.